Hello, inflatable fans. I hope you're all well. I recently bought the Aquatech Ottawa and I really like it. I like it so much, I sold the Story. Now I sold the Story to Fee, one of the members of our kayaking paddling group, and I just thought I'd explain why I got rid of that and kept the Ottawa. The simplest answer for me is speed and stability. That is, I think it's marginally slower than this, but it's so marginal and yet so much more stable that it made more sense to me to keep that, because it'd be better for some of the things I want to do than to keep that. The other aspect for me was that packs down a little bit smaller. The Ottawa packs down a little bit smaller. This packs down quite large, takes up more space, and I needed space where I live. That's not to say I still think that I think this is a bad boat. You've seen my 2-year review with it. I've done a lot of stuff with it, but now it's time for Fee to enjoy it as much as I have. I kept this one instead of the Story, and as I say, not because it's a bad boat, it's just better for me, and sometimes that's what's more important. It's tough sometimes when you're trying to decide what to buy in terms of inflatable kayaks, and for me, I prefer the stability, which is why the Taka is a really good one for me, the Ottawa. But the Story, if you want to learn how to feel confident on the water with a boat that's a little bit more tippy, awesome, absolutely awesome boat. All right, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. You take care of yourself. Let me know in the comments what you think, by the way. All right, you take care. Cheerio.